Hi, class. As you begin to construct your essay, you must write a quality, extensive introduction. The first part of the introduction will be your first sentence, that is called the hook. What is a hook? A hook is an open sentence or paragraph designed to grab the reader's attention and draw them into the essay content. It's called a hook because, like a fish hook, its purpose is to catch and engage the reader from the beginning. Good hooks can include an attention grabbing statement, a relevant anecdote, a thought provoking question, or even a surprising fact. So, I'm going to show different types of hooks, specifically four types. The first is the anecdotal hook. With an anecdotal hook, share a personal story or experience related to the event. For instance, as I stood amidst the crowd at the climate strike, holding a sign that read, "Our planet, our future," I couldn't help but wonder if our generation can truly make a difference by changing the trajectory of climate change. Statistical hook. With a statistical hook, you begin with a startling statistic that highlights the significance of the event. For example, in 2022, wildfires devastated over 10 million acres of land, serving as a stark reminder of the escalating climate crisis. Johnson, page 21. Another type of hook would be a controversial hook. With this type of hook, begin with a provocative statement that challenges common assumptions. For example, in an era of fake news and information overload, we have become more divided and less informed than ever before. And then for the startling hook, you would paint a vivid mental picture with descriptive language. For example, amidst the billowing smoke and tear gas, a lone protester stood defiantly, their silhouette framed by the burning cityscape. In this, you are painting a vivid image of your current event taking place. Now, as a lab activity, you will practice writing a hook. So for this, write a tentative hook for your upcoming current events essay. Write one anecdotal, one statistical, one controversial, and one startling hook. And then you're going to submit your hooks to the Cougar View page. Eventually, you will pick one to start your essay. Background information. So after you write your hook, you will have to provide background information in your introduction section. Background information offers context for your research topic by providing a brief overview of the subject matter. The purpose of this is to provide a broader understanding of the significance of your topic. For your current events, you will provide historical, political, and moral context and implications for your topic. Now, historical context provides historical background information to explain how the topic has evolved over time. For example, for the current events essay, you'd provide a brief overview of the events that led up to the current situation. Here's my example. If you have a paper that is about the trending usage of AI in classrooms, you may write about when AI technology was first introduced in schools. The political context of your upcoming essay refers to the government policies, regulations, ideologies, public opinions, and even debates and controversies surrounding your issue. Political context can be quite subjective, so you must approach this context from the perspectives that connect best with your purpose. For example, if you use that ChatGPT should be allowed for essays, writing about the Capitol Hill's recent conversations regarding AI would be appropriate. And then lastly, you have moral context. The moral context and implications consist of the values, principles, and moral dilemmas or moral debates. For example, the moral context of AI for classrooms involves conversations surrounding plagiarism, academic integrity, and originality. For your upcoming lab, you will do as follows. You will write one paragraph for the historical context, one paragraph for the political context, and then also one paragraph for the moral context. And you will submit to the course accordingly.